so far was isolated foundation. Let's talk about the rest of the foundations. We've got something called wall, right? Structural foundation wall. What does it do? It actually places a foundation below the walls, right? For example, if you've got a wall here, it doesn't matter what type. For example, you've got a wall like this. You can go to this part, wall, edit type, you can fix everything. For example, the width would be 50 centimeters, the thickness 60. Now, if you click this, you see, beneath it, it will have such thing. But if you want to have a foundation for several walls, select multiple, box and finish. Just like this. Now, what's the function? Which parts? We can use it as sleeper walls. We can also use it as the beneath part of some 20 centimeters walls. It can be like this, like the picture we can see. It's not that useful, but in some projects, if it's used, it will be actually sleeper wall. So if you select it, you can go to the edit type and change the dimensions. But something that is really useful here is a slab, right? This is called structural foundation slab, right? And it should not be mistaken with floor. So here we call it slabs. We call it the slab of the floors. So most of the times, people draw it with this, but this is called a structural foundation slab, and this is not the slab, this is the foundation, right? So don't draw the slabs of the floors with this. But what does it do? So the times we want to have wide, we want to draw wide foundation, we use this. We had three kinds of foundation: isolated, which was drawn with this tool, and now wide foundation is drawn by a slab. For example, imagine we've got a wide one here, just like a floor. I draw it, I finish it. Basically, it's not different with floor, but it's in foundation, right? Now, if you click edit and draw some parts in it, it will be the other kind of the foundation, just like this. And all we've got to do is to select the thickness for it, and we will have such a foundation. We will talk about it in the project more. So any kind of foundation, wide, I don't know what we just saw, this strip foundation, all of them are drawn by this. Now, if you agree, let's draw a lean concrete for this. So go to TOF. Here I don't go for the floor because we're drawing a foundation slab. And for example, I start drawing from here to here, and also an offset. So here you see you need to tap. It doesn't. I draw it. If the template is wooden or plastic, it does not need offset, but if it's brick, it does. So inactivate copy, for example, 10 centimeters, 5 centimeters to outside, right? Offset and finish. Okay, don't be afraid of unjoin, alright? This part is wrong. I'll fix the thickness too. For example, 5 centimeters. Now we've got to fix the place of it. It should be beneath it. I select it, 50 centimeters, but minus. Just like this. Now if I delete this, you can see it better. So easily you can model the structure